What's going on, guys? Decelation, and today is a very special video. Very important day. It's lift day. Finally getting a lift delivered. So, I gotta move this out the way because the lift is going right here. I know I don't really sew the ceiling, but I've already had power ran right there, little junction box. So, just gotta get the truck out the way. Lift people will be here in a few minutes, and I'm gonna talk with them and see if they will let me film while they install it, because I think that'll be pretty cool to watch. But stay tuned. Either way, the next part will be either them installing it or me using it for the first time. Either way, pretty excited. Welcome back, people. Guess who's in the shop now?
What's going on, peeps?
Brian! Brian, how happy are we?
Look at that. It's awesome.
How happy are we?
Yeah, because if you also notice what's over there in the truck, you can see how low it is to the ground.
Yeah.
So even when you jack it up and put it on jack stands,
it's still
pretty low to the ground. So it's just a pain in the talks to work on anything underneath of it.
Oh.
Now we don't have to do that anymore.
Should I show them the revelation?
Yeah.
Hold that.
Oh.
There we go.
Button that way. Oh, there. Oh, moving it around and everything here.
Oh yeah, Brian figuring it out.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
All right, ready?
I'm a natural cameraman now.
All right. What? Just barely.
Yeah, so the jacks on their lowest setting are just barely low enough.
When I say just barely, I mean it's about 1.5 millimeters.
So as you can see, even with them being a foot off the ground on a jack stand, there's not a whole lot of room to work on there.
Yep. So now we're gonna make plenty of room to work on it. But I'm pretty stoked that it literally fits under there. But we haven't jacked up the truck yet.
No, we haven't.
Should we jack it up the truck?
Yeah, I think we should.
All right. I know
We should put this on the thing so we can put this on a time lapse so we can. I don't have to stand here and hold it.
Alrighty. We'll come back in. Welcome back, guys.
Welcome back, peeps.
Yeah, so, I mean, you guys saw, we lifted up the truck, and we kind of forgot you guys existed. We were just looking under it, so let's take a look under the truck. I mean,
We were going to play a certain song by R. Kelly that was in a basketball movie in the 90s.
But, yeah.
And we're really not worried about his copyright strike because he's going to be in jail for the next 30 years. But hey, we just won't do that.
Yeah.
Because then one or the two of us will start singing along with it, and it's just, nobody wants to hear that.
Yeah, Brian, and it's going to be stuck in our head.
It is going to be, well, it's going to be stuck in our head now.
Shut up. But yeah, look at this. Oh my goodness, you can see under the truck. This is insane. I can't remember the last time I've been able to walk under this. Oh no.
Probably before we put all this stuff on there.
Yeah, probably before we put all this stuff in there. But yeah. I'm pretty happy.
Like all the little things we can like fix and adjust now that we can actually see how they're on there. Like this little chin scoop here.
Yeah, we can adjust that.
Since it's, well, yeah.
We're gonna talk about what I did with that one. Let's just say that's the sacrificial piece of how low this truck is, and I'm okay with that. I mean, you can kind of see like the whole truck is this low, and then that is like 2 inches lower. So I pretty much know if I fuck that up, I still may be safe with everything else.
Yeah, it just takes a little straightening now to get it to go up under these. Yeah, this is all the stuff that we're looking at trying to fix or do stuff on, and we're like, I don't feel like
Jacking.
rolling around on the ground doing this. So let's just,
yeah,
it's good enough. It's a 50-50 part there.
Yeah, I'm stoked, man. I'm stoked. This is something I've wanted for years, so I'm really happy about it. Man, this is it. We made it. We made it, Brian.
We did.
But yeah, we're gonna wrap it up for this video because we're just literally messing around looking at the truck in the air. I mean, it's having too much fun. I haven't been this happy in a long time, so I'm gonna enjoy this. But thank you guys for watching, and if you want to see some of the cool content we're gonna do now that we have capabilities with the lift, please subscribe. Comment down below, tell me what you think of my new lift, and hit that like button if you like this video. Have a good one, guys. Peace. Brian?
Take it easy, peeps. We'll see you in the next video.